Hey, you are watching Tech Brothers channel. Over the last couple of weeks, we have made reviews of Xiaomi Mi 8 II and Mi Max 3. You can watch these videos in description. Today we have unboxing of budget mobile phone called Xiaomi Redmi 6. This is one of the most affordable phones from Xiaomi in 2018. It is powered by new chipset Helio P22, has dual rear camera, dedicated slot for dual SIM and microSD memory card, and many other features. So here is unboxing of Redmi 6, but in coming days we will test this phone and make special videos about performance, camera and battery. Just like any other phone from Redmi series, Redmi 6 comes in a red box. As usual, there is company logo and model number on the front and specifications list on the back. Inside the box you can find smartphone, user manual, USB cable, power adapter, and SIM needle. So Redmi 6 is budget phone, so there is no headphones, protective case or something else. Even protective film or glass you need to buy additional. Talking about design, Redmi 6 is one of the most compact phones that we have tested in 2018. It is designed for one-handed use. The dimensions are 147 by 71 by 8 mm. The weight is only 146 grams. We have a gold version, but also there is black, blue and gray color options. Redmi 6 is made of matte plastic that looks and feels like a metal. Also, it doesn't leave fingerprints at all. There is dual camera and flashlight in the upper left corner and fingerprint reader in the center. At the bottom you can see speaker grills. Yeah, the speaker is located on the back panel. As usual, power button and volume rocker on the right side, but on the left side there is an interesting thing. Here you can see two slots. One of them supports SIM and microSD cards, while another is only for SIM card. It means that you can use two SIM cards and microSD memory card at the same time. It sounds very interesting, do you agree? On the bottom there is only microUSB port and microphone, while on the top 3.5mm audio jack and another mic. In general, Redmi 6 has very good build quality for budget phone. I like its matte plastic body and dedicated slot for dual SIM and microSD memory cards. Now let's talk about display. Xiaomi Redmi 6 has 5.45-inch screen with HD Plus resolution, 1440 by 720 pixels and 18 by 9 aspect ratio. Of course, it is not bezel-less phone. Moreover, it has the thickest bezels among Xiaomi phones in 2018. Even Redmi 5 has higher screen body ratio, about 75%, while Redmi 6 has only 72%. As for the rest, this is standard IPS panel with good brightness and color saturation. The navigation is done via on-screen buttons. Xiaomi Redmi 6 is the first smartphone on Helio P22. This is new entry-level chipset from Mediatek. Yeah, we are used that Xiaomi phones have Snapdragon processors, but here is Mediatek. It is not bad because Redmi 6 provides a very good performance. First, we didn't find any problems with user interface and multitasking. By the way, Redmi 6 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9.5 user interface. The UI is very fast and smooth. There are pre-installed Google apps such as YouTube, Play Store, Microsoft Office and some MIUI applications. If we talk about performance, Redmi 6 scores about 77,000 points in AnTuTu. Very good result for budget phone, do you agree? Later, we will make detailed performance test of Redmi 6 with all benchmarks and games. The link to this video will be in description. Redmi 6 is equipped with pretty good camera. It consists of 12MP main sensor Sony IMX 486 and 5MP secondary sensor. On the front panel there is another 5MP sensor. Right now we are not ready to talk about image quality. In coming days we will test camera and publish another video with real sample photos and videos in different light conditions. Although there is only 3000 mAh battery, Xiaomi Redmi 6 should provide decent battery life because of entry-level chipset and 5.45-inch display. From other side, it has only 5W and 1A charge, and it is a real problem. Later we will test how much time do you need for full charge of Redmi 6. As I already said, Xiaomi Redmi 6 has a dual SIM slot. Both cards support 4G LTE bands. Also, there is dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS and even FM radio. From other side, the phone has an NFC and IR blaster. The last is really strange, because almost all Xiaomi devices have IR blaster, but Redmi 6 doesn't. Xiaomi Redmi 6 has a speaker on the rear panel, and let's check it out. The sound is really loud, while the quality is average. Fortunately, there is 3.5mm audio jack, so you can use headphones without any adapters. Xiaomi Redmi 6 looks like a good upgrade from the last generation, except the design, because Redmi 5 has thinner bezels around the display and metal body. However, Redmi 6 received a new Helio P22 chipset, which provides good performance, dedicated slot for the second SIM card, 3.5mm audio jack and microSD slot. The main problem, in my opinion, is old design and micro-USB port with 5W and 1A power. If you want bigger display, metal body, 20MP selfie camera, then we recommend to watch our review of Redmi S2. It has the same price as Redmi 6. The link to review will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.